In this video, I will show you how to do muzzle pumping animation of Rico character, and I'll be using FlipaClip Premium app for this tutorial. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I will show you how to download this Rico character and the FlipaClip Premium app for free so that you can follow along with my tutorials. And also, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell because I upload new tutorials every week, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified about our new video. Now let's continue making the video. So I will click on that plus icon to create a new project. So I will call it Rico Animation Muzzle Pumping because that is what the tutorial is all about. Okay, then I'll write pumping, then done. Then I will click on that icon over there to add a background. Okay, so I have already designed a simple background, so look at it there. Then I will click on it to add it to this project. Okay, then I'll mark it good, then adjust it the way I want. Okay, then I'll mark it good. Okay, then I will set up my canvas size, so I will set it to YouTube 1080p because this video is for YouTube. Okay, so I will select the first one, YouTube 1080p, then I'll mark it good, then click on create project. So now let's start the animation. So click on that three dots over there for you to add your character image. Okay, so I have already designed the character, so click on add image. So there won't be any need for us to draw any character. Okay, there's an app on my phone that allows me to easily design Rico character of my choice, any one of them, before using it for animation. So if you want to download this Rico character now and the FlipaClip payment app so that you can follow along with this tutorial, then use the link in the comment section of this video to purchase and download the Rico cartoons character app and the FlipaClip Premium app and get access to all the Rico characters, images, and start using it to create your own animation project. So, and also monetize your content and start earning money in dollars. So use the link in the comment section to download the this character and the FlipaClip Premium app. So moving on. So the next thing is for you to click on that plus icon to create a new frame. On this FlipaClip we are doing frame by frame. Then I'll click on add image. Okay, so I have already designed the second image that we'll be using, so I'll add the second image. Now each time you add an image, you have to use your lasso tool to scale that image up, okay, to match with the previous one. Your character needs to be consistent. Okay, so each time you add a character image, then adjust the size to match, then and ensure that the shoe matches very well. Very, very important. Ensure that the shoe of your character matches very, very well, so that when you play the video, the animation will be smooth. Okay, so you can see that my previous shoe is in the same position with my current shoes. Okay, although there are easier ways to make a character to pump muzzle, and I'll be talking about it at the end of this video, so make sure you watch this video to the end so that you won't miss out on that very part. So guys, at this point I have to click on this layer panel. So if you click on that layer panel, then click on that plus icon. Okay, I want to add a new layer. So this layer is where I'll be adding the motion blur effect, because as the character lays his hand up, there is one principle of animation known as anticipation. You need to anticipate the movement. So we are using this motion blur effect now to anticipate that this character want to pump his muzzle. You see the motion blur. So as an animator, I believe that if you join my animation class and I teach you the principles of animation, you'll be able to know when to apply animation principles like exaggeration, anticipation, like the way I added this motion blur effect in this character to anticipate that he's about to pump his muzzle. So for the pumping of the muzzle, we just need 2 frames, which is this one. So we just need 2 frames for you to achieve a character pumping his muzzle, which is this one. Ensure that the leg are in the same positions. Okay, so guys, I have a good news for you. So if you want to learn how to make animation move, okay, if you want to learn how to create your own cartoon videos, both on your laptop or your smartphone. I recommend you join my animation class, okay, where I will teach you everything step by step, how to create Rico characters, how to animate it. Okay, I'll also teach you how to monetize your content and start earning money in dollars from your content. So when you join my animation class, you'll be able to have access to all the videos that I will explain to you. Okay, so if you want to join my animation class and gain access to one-on-one mentorship with me, use the link in the comment section, okay, to join my animation class. So moving on, see where I entered now. I entered into frame viewers. So this frame viewers now is the place you can adjust the duration of your animation. How long do you want your animation to play? So I will select these two key poses now, the pumping of the muzzle. I will copy it. Okay, so by the time I copy the two, then I have to continue to paste them as long as I want the animation to last. Okay, so you see I pasted it multiple times. So at this point we are almost done with the animation. You see the character is already pumping his muzzles. Then the next thing is, if you have audio, then click on that music icon to add your audio. But I don't want this video to be too long, so I won't be adding audio. So click on that three dot over there to export the video. Then click on make movie. So the video is about to export. You see that my FlipaClip is a premium version app. So if you want to get this app, yes, check the comment section. You will see the link that you use to purchase both the Rico character and then the FlipaClip premium app. So click on make movie. Now the video is already exported, so let us play the video and see. So guys, you see so you see, animation is very easy. So what you need is the main key poses is what you need. Once you have the key poses, you can achieve any kind of animation. So guys, that is all about this video. And then one last thing I want to talk about is if you really want to learn animation from me, I recommend you join my animation class. Okay, use the link in the comment section to join my WhatsApp channel. Then when you join my WhatsApp channel, then contact me for my animation class. I promise you that once you join my animation class, I will teach you everything. I'll also teach you how to create your own animation videos like Rico character, and how to monetize your content and start making money in dollars. Okay, so when you join my animation class, I will teach you all these things. So that's all about this video. Okay, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, like this video, comment, and also share this video. I will see you next week with a new tutorial. Bye.